Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. You may have already noticed that the gradient text is a very popular style on websites recently. One of my favorites is Apple's color combination, which they use on their website to introduce Apple Intelligence. In this video, we will learn how to create beautiful gradient text using CSS. We will use a free Bootstrap HTML template, and you can find the link below for the detailed video about creating a website. Open the index.html file. Select the text you want to color. Right-click and select Inspect Element. Locate the CSS code for the text. Write the linear gradient code here. You can use the exact hex code I'm using to achieve the same color combination. That's it. This simple technique will instantly give your website a fresh, modern look. Let me change the background here. Black will make the colors stand out more as we desire. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.